Have you ever been in an ice cream shop staring at too many flavors and thinking, chocolate or mango, cone or cup? Well, in today's video, you'll learn how to order ice cream in English, just like a native speaker. Wow, this line is so long.
Yeah, looks like everyone wants ice cream today.
I didn't think it would be this busy.
Same here. But let's just hang tight. It'll move soon.
Yeah, I can already smell the waffle cones.
Same. That smell alone is worth the wait.
Do you already know what you're getting?
Not at all. Too many options, right?
Exactly. Every time I come, I change my mind.
I know. Last time, you wanted chocolate, then ended up with strawberry.
Don't remind me. Strawberry was way too sweet.
Don't worry. Hang tight. We'll figure it out before we reach the counter.
There are like 30 flavors on the board.
Yeah, it's crazy. Cookies and cream, caramel swirl, mint explosion.
And don't forget peanut butter thunder.
What even is that? Sounds dangerous.
I swear, my brain's fried just looking at this list.
Same. I can't focus when everything looks good.
Maybe I should just close my eyes and point.
That's one way to choose.
But what if I end up with something weird, like avocado dream?
Then we'll laugh, and you'll still eat it.
You're not wrong. Ice cream is ice cream.
True. Even bad ice cream is still kinda good.
Oh, look, they're giving free samples.
Really? Sweet. Let's try some before we decide.
Can I try the raspberry cheesecake, please?
Sure thing. Here you go.
How is it?
Wow, that's amazing. Creamy and tangy.
I'll try the cookie dough one.
Coming right up.
Okay, that's it. I'm sold. Cookie dough all the way.
Don't decide too fast. There's still pistachio.
If you find a better one, hit me up.
Deal. I'll be your flavor scout. Okay, I've narrowed it down to 2.
Which ones?
Chocolate fudge brownie or salted caramel swirl?
Both sound awesome.
I know. I'm torn between them.
Why not get both?
I could, but that's a lot of sugar.
True, but it's called Treat Yourself Day.
You're a bad influence.
Always.
Okay, fine. 2 scoops. 1 of each.
That's the spirit. Are you getting it in a cone or cup?
That's the hardest question yet.
I usually go for a cone. You can eat it all.
True, but cups are less messy.
Yeah, but cones are more fun.
I can't decide.
Your call, but I say go classic.
Okay,
cone it is.
Nice choice.
I'll probably regret it when it melts.
Just eat fast.
You talk like that's easy.
Now for toppings. Oh boy.
Look at all that. Sprinkles, caramel, nuts, marshmallows.
I kind of want everything.
Go big or go home, right?
Yeah, maybe just chocolate chips and caramel sauce.
Classic combo.
What about you?
I'm keeping it simple. Just some nuts.
Wow, look at you being healthy.
Gotta balance out the cookie dough somehow.
True.
All right, final decisions locked in.
The line's moving so slowly again.
Yeah, but we're almost there.
I hope they don't run out of chocolate fudge.
Fingers crossed.
If they do, I'm crying.
Don't worry, I'll share mine.
You'd actually share your ice cream?
For you? Maybe 1 spoon.
Wow, so generous.
I try.
Okay, we're next.
Game time.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hey there. Hook me up with 2 scoops of cookie dough, please. Cup or cone? Cup, please.
I'll take 1 scoop chocolate fudge brownie, 1 salted caramel swirl in a cone,
Any toppings?
chocolate chips and caramel sauce, please.
You got it.
Looks perfect already.
Can't wait to dig in.
That'll be $8.50. Worth every penny.
Totally.
Wait, I can pay for mine.
Nah, it's fine. My treat today.
Are you sure?
Yep, you got coffee last time.
True, but that was cheaper.
Doesn't matter. I got this.
You're too nice.
I know. It's my best quality.
I'll get the next one then.
Deal. Here's your change. Thanks.
Oh, wow. First bite? Amazing.
Right? That cookie dough hits the spot.
The caramel swirl is perfection.
I'm jealous now.
Want a bite?
Don't tempt me.
Come on, just 1 spoon.
Okay, fine. Oh, wow. That's good.
Told you.
Maybe I ordered the wrong thing.
Nope, yours is good too.
Ice cream diplomacy.
Eating this takes me back to when I was a kid.
Same. Summer holidays and dripping cones.
Total blast from the past.
I used to always pick bubblegum flavor.
Ew, the blue one?
Yeah, it turned my tongue bright blue.
That's hilarious.
My mom hated it.
Parents never get it.
Nope. But kids love chaos.
True that.
We haven't changed much.
Uh-oh, it's melting fast.
Oh no, your cone's turning into a hot mess.
Literally, it's dripping on my hand.
Here, take some napkins.
Thanks. This is a disaster.
You'll survive. It's part of the fun.
Easy for you to say. You have a cup.
Told you so.
Yeah, you win.
Don't worry, it still looks good.
Sticky but delicious.
That's the spirit. You've got ice cream on your nose.
What? No way.
Yup, right there.
Great. Now everyone's staring.
Don't worry, it's cute.
You crack me up.
That's my job.
I swear, you'd make a great comedian.
Maybe I should quit my job and go for it.
Free ice cream for every joke.
Now that's motivation.
You'd go viral for sure. I can't believe we finished already.
Yeah, time flies when you're eating sugar.
Should we grab another scoop?
Tempting, but maybe let's call it a day.
Good idea. My stomach will thank me later.
Same here.
Still worth every calorie.
No regrets.
Except for the mess.
That's part of the memory.
True.
Let's walk it off.
That was fun.
Definitely. Ice cream therapy works every time.
We should do this more often.
Agreed. Same time next week?
Deal.
All right. I gotta head out.
Okay. Catch you later.
See ya.
And thanks again for the ice cream.
Anytime.
Next one's on me.
I'll hold you to that.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.